Hello, cooks. In Italy, they call olive oil l'oro liquido, liquid gold. That is because it is not only the base, but it is the vehicle for flavor and all of the cooking. So it's really important that you choose good olive oil so that your food has the delicious, sensual qualities that Italian food does. Olive oil is used in abundance, not just so things don't stick, but really for the flavor. So let's talk about what you want to look for. You always want to look for an extra virgin olive oil, and you want it to come in a dark glass. That is because olive oil is light sensitive. Have it in a light glass and it will get ruined. Plus, the people who are packaging this know that. So if you are just looking at a wall of olive oils in the market, you know the people that put it in a dark glass are actually taking care of their olive oil, and the chance of you choosing a quality one is much higher. You're looking to spend, I would say, around $12 to $16 for a bottle this size. And the more specific of a region you get it from, the higher quality it's going to be. So for example, you might buy Italian olive oil. You could then buy Tuscan olive oil, which is from a region. You could buy from Siena, which is a region of Tuscany. You could buy it from a small town outside of Siena, which is a region of Tuscany. And the more small you get, the smaller the region, the more quality the olive oil is going to be. However, for everyday cooking, you're good with an Italian or Mediterranean or Tuscan olive oil. You can also buy it in a tin. That's cool too. Some people like that. It protects the olive oil from the light. But let me tell you what you are not ever going to buy, or not ever going to use. You are not buying light olive oil. I'd never even heard of such a thing in Italy. That has no flavor. Olive oil, remember, is not just about unction, oiliness. It's about the flavor. So you want to go rich, you want to go extra virgin, and you want to look for a region that inspires you. And you want to use it with all the abundance that you possibly can.